Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Zapier account step by step so you can get back into your workspace quickly and without any confusion. Whether you normally sign in with your email and password or you use Google, this guide will walk you through the exact process from start to finish. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to zapier.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the login button there. Click on that and Zapier will take you to the sign-in page. Now you'll see a few different login options. If you usually sign in with your email and password, click on the option that says, or use your email address to log in. This is the right choice if you created your account with a standard email login. After that, enter your email address and password when prompted, then continue the sign-in process. If you use Google to sign in, click on Continue with Google instead. Zapier will then open a Google account chooser page. From there, select the Google account that is connected to your Zapier account. In this example, you would click on the account name listed on the screen. After selecting it, Google may ask you to confirm permissions or continue the login process. Go ahead and click Continue when you're ready. Zapier will finish authenticating your account, and after a moment, you should be taken directly into your Zapier dashboard. Once you're therein, you'll be able to access your Zaps, workflows, integrations, and account settings. If you run into any issues while logging in, double check that you're using the correct login method. A lot of people get stuck because they try to sign in with Google when their account was created with email and password, or the other way around. So if one method doesn't work, go back and try the other one. Also, make sure you're using the same email address that was originally connected to your Zapier account. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Zapier account. It only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Zapier walkthroughs in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.